the winning to get the chance to get your car pimped by us, by this container, where you are.
Go in and comment the video, like and subscribe the Strands Lighting Division channel on YouTube.
Be in for the win.
Any car.
Any car.
With our little workshop here that has more than 150,000 lumens, and we will come by and fulfill your craziest lighting dreams. I guaranteed you out there that we would find a winner today about our big competition, where we would visit you, we guys from Strands and Max Hunt will visit you in our workshop with 150,000 lumens and pimp your ride. And actually, I guarantee you, we found a winner today. Before we get to that, let's please have some drums. And the winner is, give him a big applause, Anders Johansson. If you want to join us when we pimp his ride, his old Velvet, with our truck when we visit him, stay tuned here on the channel, like and subscribe, and we will see you soon.